I'll go to SC24. SC24 class builder. Why not? Doesn't mean that class means I should use only in ALU reporting. I can use it wherever ABAP coding is involved. Since we don't know, we don't use. Okay. So we have a class. I forgot that. It ends with utilities. Utilities. Oh, there are many things are there. Okay, related to smart form, there is one. See, that is a star, SSF star. Yeah, done. Yeah. What is this here? We have a class CL underscore. What is this? XSF underscore what? XSF underscore what? Utilities. CL underscore SSF underscore XSF underscore what? Utilities. Is it clear? Done. Let me display this. CL SSF XSF utilities. One second, please. Just hold on. Let me open that class. Done. So we have a class CL SSF XSF what? Utilities. If you go to properties here, what is they saying? SAP Smart Form XSF extensible Smart Form utilities. Okay, extensible Smart Form utilities. Okay, done. So in this class, what is this class? Public class. In this class, there is one method. Yeah, you can see there is a method get underscore BDS underscore graphic underscore as underscore what? BMP. Get a BDS graphic in BMP format. Get a business document service graphic as what? Bitmap. Okay, what is this method? Static method. How do you call static methods? By using what? Class name. We can call the static methods by using what? Class name. Since it is public, I can call it what? Anywhere. Before calling the method, what you have to do? We have to check the signature of the method. So let me open this. I'll go to parameters. It has got 4 mandatory importing parameters. 4 mandatory importing parameters. There is one returning parameter. Returning parameters are always what? Optional. What is this returning type? Existing. What is this? Graphic data. Graphic data. So what I will do is, in my program, let me declare a variable data gb underscore what? Logo type what? Existing. Now here what I'll do? Okay. Yeah. Here, after getting the what? Adobe Form function model name, what I'll do is get the BMP image in what? Existing format. So what I'll do, I'll call that method. What is that method? Yes. What is that class first? CL underscore SSF underscore XSF utilities. What is the method? Get underscore BDS underscore graphic underscore as underscore what? BMP. Get BDS graphic as what? BMP. I'm calling this. Yeah. See the parameters here. See the mandatory parameters. What is this? P underscore object. It is a what type? TD object group. SAP script graphics management. So this value you give it as what? Graphics. give it as graphics. Then what else? P underscore name, it is a what type? TDOB name. Acha, acha. So we have to pass the name. So what I will do is TD object name, TD object name. So what is the change I'll do is, instead of reading existing from the user, I'll read what? What? TD object name. Whatever I'm reading there, whatever the logo name I'm reading, I'll pass it here. What is that parameter? Yes, P underscore what? Logo. Okay, then what? P underscore what? ID. What is this P underscore ID? Hmm? Acha. Graphics management. ID. Okay, ID I'll give it as what type of image? Bitmap. Then B type. What is this B type? TD B type. Type of graphic. Oh, let me double click on this TDB type. Let me check what is there in TDB type. I think it is black and white and color, I think. Let me check. TDB type, graphic type. Let me double click on the domain level. When I double click on the domain also, yes, what is this? Bmon is what? Black and white. Bcol is what? Color. So in my case it is what? Color. So what I have to give? Bcolor. Is it clear to everyone? So I'll let's say B what? Col. Okay, done. And I'll receive this inside what? What is the variable I declared? What is the variable I declared here? GB underscore what? Logo. That's all. GB underscore logo, and exception is there. If you want to handle, you handle, otherwise leave it. Done. So I got the logo here, and here what is the parameter there? I underscore logo is equal to what? GB underscore logo. That's it. Okay, so let's see whether this works or not. When I execute, address number, what is this? 22901. What is the logo? Waldorf. Okay, Waldorf. Execute this. With what name you uploaded? Oh, program exception condition not found. Why was? I got an error. Why? Why like that? Why I got the error? This is a what type? TDOB name. Done. Object is graphics. ID is what? Bitmap. This is bcol only. P underscore logo only. Done. Exception condition not found. Why?
Maybe exception you have to maintain that exception.
All the images are not there. Okay. This is what type here? Get PDF graphic as BMP. Parameters. Object I give. Object group I give. Okay, it is always graphics only. Object name I give. ID group. So I give BMP only. Then why it is not taking? What are the values here? Bmon and what? B call. What could be the issue? Graphics, P underscore logo, bitmap, B call. I tried this earlier also. Why it is not coming? Bitmap, BMP.
Network maybe some parameter.
Let me check it. 22901. Execute this. I'll say F6.
Sir, receiving,
78,000.
Receiving.
I think the problem is at receiving side, sir. I think. Just
GB.
press F5, sir. Once again, instead of pressing F6.
Oh, why to debug that method? GB underscore logo type what? Existing. This parameter is also
Not
what type?
allowing.
It is also what type? Existing only. One second. Let me check whether SAP has used this method anywhere. Even I also did earlier. Let me check my program also. I'll put the cursor here. Put the cursor, I'll click on where use list. I want to check in programs, classes and BSP application, even in what? WebDim Pro components. Let me check where use list. Just want to check the values which we have passed. No. Okay. This is the program. Yeah, correct only, na? Graphics, P underscore logo, bitmap. What I passed? B map. Huh? What I passed there? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah,
Sir, you passed PMP.
correct, correct. Thanks. Thank you, Rashmi. Yeah, correct. Bitmap, spelling wrong. BMP, bitmap. So ID should be bitmap. That is the issue. Yeah. Now I think I should get it. Let me check. When I execute, I'll give some address number. What is this? World of yeah, world of good. We are getting the what image. Let me go back. This time I'll pass what? What is the other one? Mail, huh? Mail. Yeah, we are getting that. Okay, what is the other one? IDS underscore what? Logo. Done. Working fine. Is it clear? So the problem is here. It should be map. Simple. See here. What is this? Character of what? 4. Character of 4. Okay. Done. Now, what is the next requirement? We have to display what? Text, standard text. Already we created the standard text. No? So simple technique. I'll go back to my smart form. What is that? SFPT code. Smart form done. Yeah. Here what you have to do, right click on this, create what? Text, create the text. What happened? Text object got created. Here same as what? Smart form. Change the text object. What is the text type here? Text module. I'll change it to what? What is this? Other concept same. Dynamic text also we know. Okay, change it to what? Include text. Okay, include text. What is the text name? What is the text name? Z my S text. Text object is what? Sorry. This is Z my S. What happened? Z my S text. What? Does not exist. Or only my text. Huh? Z my. What is the stand? Huh? S410. Z my S text. This only, na? Z my S text. But why it is not taken? Include text. Okay, let me browse here. It's there. Oh, we have to give it in single quotes. That's the issue. We have to give it in what? Single quote. That's all. Done. So let me save it. Check it. Yeah, no problem. Activate this. Yeah, it's activated. Now run your executable program. No. We have not displayed. We have not displayed that in the layout, na? Here, what we did, we created what? Text object. We are doing it, but you have to display it in the layout. Until unless you display it in the layout, you'll not get it. That is the issue. But you understood how to include the standard text, create the text object, change the text type to what? Include text and provide the standard text information. Same thing with what? Dynamic text. It should be what type? TSF text. Huh? TSF text. We should pass a parameter of type what? TSF text and provide that. Same as here. Yeah, here what you have to do? Just drag and drop what? Text object. So this is my text object. Okay, so let me execute the driver program. Right, this is standard text for what? Adobe Forms. Is it clear? Yeah, this part I'll discuss in the next class. Okay, I'm getting late for another thing. Okay, this I remove this floating field concept. I'll cover it in the next class. Is it clear? So this is what we have discussed: how to display address, how to display dynamic logo, and how to include the standard text. Am I clear? So I'll stop now. We'll continue this Adobe Forms. Oh, right. Monday, oops, is here now. Okay. Right, I'll mail you. There is one more session I want to take it in Adobe Form to show you that interactive Adobe Form. It is not possible through plain ABAP. We require what? WebDim Pro also. WebDim Pro also. So already example is there. So I'll take that example. So I'll just mail you when I'll take that one more Adobe Form. In the next week only I'll take. And one more thing. Those who want to attend the session, other